What's the meaning of brio? Brio. Brio.
Brio. Brio. Brio refers to a quality of being lively, energetic, and full of vigor or vivacity. It can be used to describe a person's behavior or the overall atmosphere of a place or activity. When someone has brio, they bring a sense of enthusiasm and excitement to whatever they are doing, which can inspire others to feel similarly energized. This can lead to a more dynamic and engaging environment, whether it is in a social setting, a work setting, or any other context where people interact. Overall, brio connotes a positive and invigorating spirit that helps to make experiences more enjoyable and memorable.